AD8676ARZ REEL7 is a precision operational amplifier manufactured by Analog Devices. It is designed for high-performance applications that require low input offset voltage, low input bias current, and high open-loop gain. The ARZ REEL7 part number indicates that it comes in a REEL packaging suitable for automated assembly processes. This operational amplifier is commonly used in various precision measurement and instrumentation systems, audio equipment, and sensor signal conditioning circuits. Its features make it suitable for applications that demand accurate and stable amplification of low-level signals. The AD8676ARZ REEL7 offers excellent performance and reliability, making it a popular choice among engineers and designers in the electronics industry.